Hi everyone, this is Wing. I'm presenting to you the brand new Aragon Enforcer-P. Okay, so I know a lot of you have been with us for a very, very long time, 20 some years or even longer, some of you. So the P stands for Predator. That's what we used to call it. And I don't want to take too much time to explain about the name, why it's transformed to the Enforcer-P is because we want to brand it under the same umbrella as the Enforcer. If you look at, there are some similarities with the Enforcer is because the case integrated with the bracelet and all that. Now, this is the remake of that, but this is very special is because this is a limited edition to only 50 pieces. The reason why is the dial is made out of genuine onyx stone, okay? Not the stone, the onyx, genuine onyx. Very expensive, very difficult to make. And I also was sharing with everybody on social media, the darkness, the black on this is super, super deep. Okay, I know we've made the piano black before, but this is beyond that level. It almost looks like if you put it under the sun, it's absorbing the sunlight, you know? So you can see the deep dish. If you look at the chapter ring, it's all cut out to position the hour index. White loom glows green, okay? By the way, for the bezel and the hour index, everything, the hands too. 200 meters water resistance, sapphire crystal, 44 millimeter cross from 3 to 9. And then you can also see the style of the hands. Okay, it's new. So I think this 44 millimeter will be perfect for a lot of guys. I know a lot of guys are downsizing. We only made it in one size, by the way. 200 meters water resistance. The Onyx 35 as well. I'll show you the profile of that watch. Look at how beautiful this creation is, exhibition. Okay, now if you look at the crown guard, you see that little details, what I've made in multiple Aragons. There's 2 holes on each side. Okay, so how we created, number one, it looks really good. I think it's a very unique detail. And also the difficulty of having a drill bit go through the case, okay? This is a next level. Small details for the watch. Clipping pins for the adjustment, and you can see how like smooth the bracelet is. And then the integration, the case and the bracelet integration is seamless when you wear it. Look. Okay, limited edition, only 50 pieces. So if you see this, hurry up and go get it on our website, call us, or whatsoever. Last thing I want to show you is the knurling of the crown, very smooth. You can easily adjust the hands. Make sure you lock the crown when it's done, okay? Push and turn. And the last thing I want to share with you is the clasp. It's the diver's clasp with micro adjustment on the side. The bracelet is absolutely stunning, beautiful. Approximately 4 millimeter thick. It's substantial too, okay? So the watch is weighty. And the thickness is between 15 and 16, okay? Genuine 200 meters water resistance. Not like some other brands, they say, with Aragon, you can go scuba diving, professional scuba diving, any one of those. All right, thank you. I'll see you soon.